In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a list automatically in ClickUp using automations. We'll walk through setting up an automation that creates a brand new list for you, based on a trigger you choose. This is especially helpful if you want new lists to appear whenever a task is created, a subtask is added, or a status changes, keeping your workspace organized without manual work. Start by opening ClickUp and navigating to the space, folder, or list where you want this automation to live. Being in the correct location matters, because automations typically run within the area you set them up. Once you're there, open automations. You'll see existing automations if any are already in place. Otherwise, we'll create a new one. Choose Create Automate. Automation. This opens the automation builder, where you define two core parts, the trigger and the action. Let's begin by editing the trigger. Click into the trigger field and select what you want to kick things off, such as when a task is created, when a subtask is created, or when a task's status changes. Triggers are your when this happens condition, so pick the one that matches your workflow. If you're planning to organize new work into fresh lists, a common approach is task created or status changes when work moves to a specific stage. Next, select the sources. This determines what kind of items the trigger should watch and where they come from. For example, you can target tasks, subtasks, or a specific set of locations within your workspace. Be clear about scope so the automation runs exactly where you need it and doesn't create lists in the wrong place. Now edit your actions. This is the do this part of the automation. Scroll through the available actions until you find Create a List. Select it. This tells ClickUp that whenever your trigger fires, a brand new list should be made automatically. You'll be prompted to input the list's location and its name. Choose the correct space and folder to keep your structure tidy, then type a clear, consistent name. Consider using naming conventions, like including a date or the trigger context, so you can find things later at a glance. When everything looks right, click Create. And that's it. Done. You've set up an automation that listens for your chosen trigger and builds a new list in the location you specified. This simple setup can save time, reduce manual organization, and keep your workspace clean as work moves through your process.